Alright guys, Alex with Master Garage here, 2013 Dodge Journey 2.4. Check engine light is on, lightning light is on, was blinking, and the traction light was on. So the code was P2173, throttle body, actuator, wrong airflow. So in this case, which all this kind of engine has tend to that, the throttle body goes bad. It's down there over there. So you got to replace the throttle body and reset the code, and that's it. The problem is gonna go away. But remember again, this type of engine, Chrysler, Dodge, 2.4 liter, has a tendency for the throttle body. Most of them goes bad, and you're gonna have that check engine light on with the small icon of the lightning light, traction light blinking. Sometimes ABS light came up. This is the problem. Okay guys, thank you for watching. God bless you.